everyone. It's 8:50 and I'm out for 2 hours now. And I don't really, it's gonna be a challenge to edit this because I don't have a working laptop right now. The charger decided to go and so yeah, the new charger doesn't get in until around the 8th, so I'm probably gonna have to use my grandmother's old computer to edit this, but you know what, it's my house. Ooh. I'm actually giving you guys a tour of the house. Let's do that. Okay, so here's the front door. Here's the porch. Here's my grandfather's Vian, and then my mommy wagon. And this is the foyer. And these are actual blueprints of the house. And my grandma and me, my brother. And here's my brother. So yeah, that's the foyer. And to the right is, we're still working on this. This is gonna be my grandfather's office. He's a college professor, but this was my brother's old room. There's a closet and then a door to the hallway and then a door to my room. And this is the front room. Pretty nifty, yeah, whatever. We got fireplace and stuff. And then it's my room. And this is the hallway. It just goes down to the kitchen. There's my room. Twist. It's twist. Like always. That's some of my luggage. And then this is the dining room. It's a tiny cabinet. This never stays clear at all. Nope. And then in here is the TV room. This is my grandmother's office space with our like mini library in here and the flat screen. That's a closet and that's a half bath. And then this goes to the attic. We got food cupboards, more stuff, kitchen, back porch, and then the back deck, and which leads out to, which is our backyard. And then there's the garage, and we have like a garden. And then this basement, this bathroom, living closet, and my grandfather's bedroom. So yeah, that's the house. I need to make more pink lemonade because I have gotten myself off of soda. I didn't even have my soda for today. I gotta go do that. Well, I need to make this first. Yeah, I've gotten myself down to just one little tiny glass of soda a day. That's just to stave off caffeine headaches, because those things are the worst. Hey kitties, one of your kitties. You already know this one. This one's Anastasia. This one's Min. That's my kitty. If we go into the front room, we will see Mr. G. Gordon, who was my grandmother's cat. We bought him for her, and he's a purebred ragdoll, and he's almost 3. He's still got growing to do. He's a butt nugget. And then I think she's still in the bathroom. She was out of the bathroom. This is you. Thank you. This is the cup I use for my morning soda. This will not leave. It's actually a really good portion size for soda, for my soda, because I don't have too much. Yes, this heavy cup. Leave it alone. So I'm gonna have my morning soda, and then later I'm thinking about going on a bike ride, which I will bring you guys along. My bike rides are 3.6 miles altogether, and you can usually do it in 9 minutes. So yeah. A little update on the gerbils. Loki actually passed away on my birthday, which was the 16th of June. And then, so all we have left is Thor. But I got a new gerbil. Her name is Sleipnir, which is one of Loki's children. And I'll show you to her right now. Do you see the baby door? The baby door. And this one, little black ball right there, is sleeping there. And she's a black gerbil with a little bit of white on her. She has a little bit of white on her chinny chin chin. And she's cute. And she's bitten both me and Wolfie already. She's definitely going to be taking some training, I guess. She's going to have to get used to us. But yeah, she's a cutie patootie. Yeah, and it's cute as door. Look at the door. Hi, door. So cute. Hi. Hello. Good morning. With your sheepy eyes. Now I'm going to go for my big grade. I chill here, this little fountain. So, just been listening to Maury. I'm so out of breath. Oh my god. I bike non-stop, by the way. Unless I hit a stoplight and it's red and I can't go. It was long. I'm not sweaty now. How's it going? Bike ride. Bike ride.
What bike did you use?
Grandma's. Brandon and I fixed it up.
Huh?
Brandon and I fixed up Grandma's bike.
How does it work?
We just changed the inner. Oh, yeah, it works fine.
Okay.
It's good. We changed the inner tubes, so.
Okay, because that's fine.
I'm gonna go cool off now.
Huh?
I'm gonna go cool off now. Now I'm just waiting for my blood pressure to go down and for me to not be so sweaty. There's the fan. It's blowing on me. I'm just trying to cool down and to get my blood pressure down. So I'm just gonna lay here and watch some YouTube videos. Sweet. Now I'm feeling better. My blood pressure's gone down. I don't feel faint. I don't have a headache. Blah blah blah. And I'm not sweating anymore. I'm trying to get rid of that. There we go. You can see my pile of laundry. You can see. Trying to get this so it's not dirty in the shot. Anyways, now I'm not sweaty or anything, and my body is focusing on the fact that I am positively starving. So I'm gonna go make something to eat and then watch more YouTube videos. I'm exclusively working from my phone, so I'm watching YouTube videos on my phone. Probably when my grandfather goes to his office, I'll bring my grandma's laptop in here. And I'm gonna fold laundry. Look at all that laundry. Oh yeah, folding. Fun. Just got the first bit of this vlog edited. So far it is 10 minutes, but probably since, you know, my day is pretty much done by now, there won't be so much footage, so it will be much longer than 10 minutes. I I have my cat with me. She's chilling, sleeping. Yeah, so I'm gonna just chill for now. Fold this laundry, you know. Oh, man, tired. She always plants herself in front of the laptop screen and then gets off, and then she'll do it again. It's like I need to see that screen, okay? Say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done. But when you call me baby, I know I'm not the only one. It's only 5:09, but I think I'm going to end it here, because I'm probably, nothing really is going to be happening. Anything, you know, so what's the point? My grandfather's gonna be getting home here in like 3 hours. I've just been sitting here watching TV, scrolling through Facebook, window shopping for vintage clothes. I'm really into the 1950s, like holy cow. So I'm planning on getting, you know, I've been exercising because I want to get slimmer. So like, you know, why was I born in this era? Yeah, I'm planning on, I'm not gonna fully replace my wardrobe with 1950s fashion, but a lot of it's gonna be 1950s fashion. So yeah, I'm not talking about like pinups, I'm talking about like housewife, because I really want, like, my ideal job would definitely be a 1950s housewife. So yeah, I'm gonna end this here. That was my rant about me wanting to be a 1950s housewife. Yeah, I'm just gonna wrap it up here.